Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we'll be making vegan blueberry breakfast muffins. Let's get started. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees. First, mix the wet ingredients. In a bowl, add 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/3 cup of olive oil, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Stir to combine a few times to help soften the large grains of sugar. In a separate large mixing bowl, mix together 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2½ teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of kosher salt. Now pour the wet mixture into the dry mixture and mix until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as overmixing the batter tends to make the muffins less tender. Once that's mixed, you can toss in 2 cups of blueberries. You can use fresh or frozen. Today I'm using frozen. Gently fold them into the batter. Fill each muffin-lined hole with batter. For uniformity, fill the muffin tin using a 1/4 measuring cup or a large ice cream scooper to scoop up the batter and pour into the muffin holes. Place the muffin tin in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Let it cool for a few minutes and enjoy warm or at room temperature. Thank you for watching. See you next time.